But before I commence, please let us stand and observe a moment of silence for our men and women of the armed forces who paid the ultimate price in Borno State, not just the closest was yesterday, and many other like that have befell us. And to the memory of a great friend, the former governor of Bayelsa State, DSP Alameche. May their souls rest in peace. Nigerians thank all of you and all of them for their service. Thank you very much. You may be seated. I'm delighted to be in Bayelsa. There's no doubt about that. And do it. Yeah. You've done a great job. I've commissioned some projects. Very transformative projects. The bridge, linking communities, dual carriageways, creating opportunity and jobs and hope of our nation. Thank you for that commitment, and thank you for being a very progressive governor. To the people of Bayelsa State, I must tell you, I'm very, very happy and proud to be here and to feel at home. I'm one of you. Nigeria has demonstrated the power of very purposeful leadership. And I'm here standing before you, promising that the challenges that we face, the memory of those who led this country, face the battle, the challenges of security. We will work hard. We will continue to equip and train our men and women of the armed forces. We will defeat terrorism and banditry. And regardless of their shenanigans, in our party, I will call All Progressive Congress, we believe that the people deserve to see governance translated into roads, bridges, power, jobs, and real opportunities that affect human beings, that signals the development of our country. We're all working hard, and the project that I commissioned today demonstrates and testify to an immutable truth. Development advances further, faster, when the federal government and the state government work in partnership and towards a shared purpose. I hear you. I hear you, Jiri, Federal Road. Okay, I will take it with me when I'm going. Build it for your people. When we met in my office, you were asking for this exception or that and waiver and that and everything. You mentioned Bayelsa and your commitment. Now you want reimbursement. It's now Federal Road. I'll take it with me. The independent power plant is a blessing and good thinking. And I thank you for embarking on it. There can be no industrialization and development, skill development, and empowerment without power. That is a vision. I won't go back to history on my first attempt to bring independent power generation system to Nigeria. Here we are today. We're struggling with it, but I assure Nigerians that we will have electricity to power our growth. The Yenagoa City Road will enhance access, improve urban mobility, and support development. I will thank you and I will encourage you to do more. I will support you to do more. But if it were a road to take with me, that's okay. I won't put a federal road in Lagos. So you and I will have to debate that. All the projects reminds us that we must do them, we must create job opportunity. In the project, in construction, you have water suppliers, you have welders, you have concrete mixers, and all of that. It's job creation. And I'll do everything to support that and go along with it. The spirit of partnership, as you mentioned, is there and will continue to be there. And there's no other way I could feel it. You demonstrated that. The people of Bayelsa did a good job of lining up left, right side of the road and waving and welcoming me with their great smile and beauty. Yes, I listened to the secretary to the state government that Bayelsa is more Delta than Delta. But, and you are the goose that lays the golden egg. We will continue to partner together to make it a golden Delta. That's my assurance to the good people of Bayelsa State and Nigeria, that we will continue to focus on development that will make our nation great. It is very important that we are transparent, honest with our people. Yes, I hear you from various angles of the economy. The fuel prices is biting hard. But look around, let's just thank God together that you are better off. Listen to them in Kenya, in other African countries, what they are going through. We will not look back. We will continue to find ways to ameliorate the suffering of the vulnerable. This is a government that cares. We look at, I'm glad head of service is here. Look at the numbers with the finance, economic planning and budgeting, and we'll see what we can do to ease the burden. But that is the development. The burden of it is what we are facing today. The challenge of the war we didn't call for, but the effects of interrelated world that we share. Both the joy and the pain of it is universal. Once again, I congratulate you, the people of this state, the projects to serve the people, and as an enduring symbol of purposeful leadership, productive partnership, and shared commitment to progress. You are at it. Don't be tired. The hand of partnership and fellowship that we put together today, and to you, all the other governors present, Nigeria will be great, and we will succeed. I thank all of you, and may God bless Bayelsa State and Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So cool. Thank you, Excellency.
Papa be this, so we no get another one. Our Papa be this, so